Jai Shri Mataji, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to this evening's Futsal session, where we continue working on our Sahasrara Chakra, listening to Mother's talk from Monday, with Sahasrara Puja coming on Sunday, the 5th of May. So let us raise our Kundalinis, put ourselves in a bandhan. Now let's put a bandhan on the foot soak water. If you've got the bucket of water there, with Sri Samudra Devata. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Samudra Devata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. We'll place our feet in the water. Let us settle our attention on top of the Sahasrara. Now let's remember that the pitas, or the seat of all the energy centers, are in our brain, surrounding the Sahasrara, the heart chakra being right below the Sahasrara, just under the limbic area there. And then we've got the chakras, the batteries for the engines along the spine, with the plexuses that we've got, the nerve centers. But the talking, so if we're talking about our energy centers, feeling our energy centers, we're talking about the all-pervading power, the divine energy that we are connected to. There's a communication that happens continuously. And the deciphering of this communication, once we get our realization, once the Kundalini is awakened, once the Sahasrara is opened, it's through the vibrations that we feel on our hand, where each of these energy centers are also represented on our hands and our palms, and of course our feet and various parts of our bodies. But the easiest way of communicating, of deciphering this, is through our hands. So one of the things that we do try as we get deeper in meditation is to also improve the sensitivity of vibrations on our hands. And it also means that it's giving us that information, or the divine giving us the information through what we are feeling on our hands, is where we need to work, where we need to put that little bit more attention. We might think that it is fine, but if we are catching, or if we are feeling tingling and heat, then we need to look that little bit deeper, introspect that little bit more, to face the qualities, the truth of that energy center, to be able to correct ourselves and correct those imbalances. So let's keep our attention on the Sahasrara, just a couple of inches above, and request Mother Kundalini to please awaken within us. Please let us feel our subtle system, our energy centers and our energy channels. From the attention above the Sahasrara, we just watch our hands. One of the other greatest advantage of collective meditation, of collective foot soaks, is that we can help each other clear out. So when we are meditating by ourselves at home versus when we sit and meditate together, we always clear out a lot faster because of the strength of all the kundalinis working at the same time and being connected to the collective ocean. So we can also help each other, just as the way we meditate and we put ourselves in a bandhan or we are clearing a specific energy center. We can all put our attention to clearing a particular chakra that is being felt at that time. And we did do this quite often. I've gone out of habit of this. So let's try that today. It's keeping our attention on the Sahasrara. If there's any particular finger or any particular chakra that you're feeling catching or channel, please do put a note on the chat or you can unmute and ask. And we can all work on that specific energy center at the same time. So we've had a request for Nabhi and Swadhisthana. So I think we're feeling a little bit more right Nabhi, if I'm reading it correct. So let's place our left hand on the right Nabhi. And put our attention on top of the Sahasrara, just watching our Nabhi finger, which is the middle finger on our right hand. So here, when we start worrying a lot about our finances, our careers, we are worrying about money, we're being stingy a little bit, usually tends to catch. But on the physical side, also, if we have a hot liver, so if our diet is not proper or soothing, so, eating a lot of red meat, eating a lot of chocolates, ice creams, fried food, become heavy on our liver where it has to work extra hard. Plus, we have overactive lifestyle or work commitments. Then we can really feel this right Swadhisthana and right Nabhi. Say, Mother, verily you are the doer and you are the enjoyer. We've also had a request to help clear the whole of the right side. So let's place our left hand towards the ether, the right hand stays on our lap. And with a request to cool down our right side, we'll listen to the mantras for the right Svadhisthana, the beat mantras, which basically work for the cooling of the right side and cooling of the liver as well. So we just have that request. Actually, hang on, I'm going to share the video so we can all read and say it as well instead of just listening, so the attention stays more focused.
ॐ श्री हिमालया नमः। ॐ श्री चन्द्रमा नमः। ॐ श्री कैलासस्वामिनी नमः। ॐ श्री निर्मलचित्ता नमः। ॐ श्री चित्तनिरोधा नमः। ॐ श्री चित्तेश्वरी नमः। ॐ श्री चित्शक्ति नमः। ॐ श्री मुकुतेश्वरी नमः। ॐ श्री मोहम्मद नमः। ॐ श्री हज़रत अली फ़ातिमा बी नमः। ॐ सर्वतापहारिणी नमः। ॐ श्री संजीवनी स्वामिनी नमः। ॐ श्री विचारशैथिल्य नमः। ॐ श्री अतिक्रियशैथिल्य नमः। साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
We'll listen to that one more time in a second. I just wanted to point out that if you're going to use this to listen again, the adi, it is ATI, ati means excess. So the excess kriya is the action. Shaitalya, the one who calms down, that excessive action. So instead of ADI, please read it as AT for Tom, ati kriya.
Sorry, Didi.
ॐ श्री हिमा
Sorry, Didi. Jai Shri Mataji. Just had one more question. There was Om Shri Muhammad or Mahatmaya. Just above that, Hazrat Ali Fatima Bi. The written was Mahatmaya and the voice was Muhammad. Can you clarify that one as well?
Sorry, I thought I had my mic on. So it should be Muhammad.
Okay.
So it is definitely Muhammad there also.
Thank you.
Himalaya, Himalaya, Himalaya.
Yeah, go with another one and see.
दाय स्वाधिष्ठान के लिए मंत्र
Again, we're still
श्री
working on the
हिमालय
right side.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री हिमालय साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री चंद्रमा ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चंद्रमा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री कैलास स्वामिनी ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कैलास स्वामिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मल चित्त ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मल चित्त साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Just place our left hand on the right Swadhisthana.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चित्तनिरोध साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री चित्तेश्वरी ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चित्तेश्वरी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री चित् शक्ति ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चित् शक्ति साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री मुकुटेश्वरी ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री मुकुटेश्वरी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री मोहम्मद
So let's move our left hand to the liver on the right side. So just under our rib cage, we place our left hand.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री मोहम्मद साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री हजरत अली फातिमा बी ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री हजरत अली फातिमा बी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। सर्वतापहारिणी ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् सर्वतापहारिणी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। भूतसंतापनाशन ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् भूतसंतापनाशन साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री संजीवनी स्वामिनी ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री संजीवनी स्वामिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री विचार शैथिल्य। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री विचार शैथिल्य साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री अतिक्रिया शैथिल्य। ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री अतिक्रिया शैथिल्य साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
Bringing both our hands on our lap, attention on the Sahasrara. Actually, let's get our feet out of the water because it's been a while. Keeping our attention on the Sahasrara, just to stay in meditation for a few minutes before we listen to Shri Mataji's talk.
Will be song called Kundalini Rise, and it's a very special song. We really want you to keep your attention on the top of your head, because as we sing, with every word we say, with every line, when we say Kundalini Rise, at that point our desire, pure desire, is to have your own Kundalini to rise as high as possible. The whole world Kundalini has to rise to bring peace, prosperity and love to this world. Please enjoy.
Kundalini
Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise. Oh, Nirmala Mata, Mata. Oh, Nirmala Mata, Mata. You are my life, you are my life, you are my God, you are my God, you are my life. So please, Kundalini rise. Kundalini rise, Durga Mata, Kundalini rise, Nirmala Mata, Kundalini rise, Jagadamba, Kundalini rise, Adi Shakti, Kundalini rise, Vishnu Maya, Kundalini rise, Nirmala Mata, Kundalini rise, Mahalakshmi, Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise. Oh, Nirmala Mata, Mata. Oh, Nirmala Mata, Mata. You are my life, you are my life, you are my God, you are my God, you are my life. So please, Kundalini rise. Kundalini rise, Kundalini, Kundalini rise, Nirmala Mata, Kundalini rise, Bhagavati, Kundalini rise, Adi Shakti, Kundalini rise, Kundalini, Kundalini rise, Nirmala Mata, Kundalini rise, Bhagavati, Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise. Oh, Nirmala Mata, Mata. Oh, Nirmala Mata, Mata. You are my life, you are my life, you are my God, you are my God, you are my life. So please, Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise.
Now the heart chakra can be also misunderstood very much. And this misunderstanding always comes from the Mahamaya for testing. Like, we say we have to have a family. We must have good families. We must have good children. Immediately, the Mahamaya acts. We start worrying about the husband, worrying about the family. We should be our family. There's a saying in Sanskrit, Udara Charitanam Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The one who are of a character of saints, the whole world is their family. You worry about an individual family so that the collective family is strengthened, not to worry about individual families so that the collective suffers. And if there is such a family tie, better throw it away. We have to sacrifice. No sacrifice, it's only getting rid of the disease. So we waste our time with our children, with our family, which is very small. Then the situation changes in different areas. That's the compassion, the love and affection. We believe that we have to love Sahajogis. I asked somebody to go away because he had a disease and he told me lies. So a negative person's attention will go to him more. I will try to look after that person more than to other surgeons. Do you have more compassion and love than I have? Why do you get attracted to people who are out of Sahaja Yoga? Why do you sympathize with people who are like this? You are not here to help the downtrodden, the poor, the so-called suffering people. No, you are not incarnations. You are not here to help women who are crying all the time, and to children who had to be separated from their parents. It's a hospital that we are in. We are getting cured, all of us. Have you heard of a patient going and helping other patients? It's the doctors have to do the job. But Sahaja Yogis always, in the beginning, used to fall a prey to this kind of an appeal. Like a bad apple, and there are many good apples. How can the good apples cure the bad apple? Can they? Even if you put 20,000 on top of that bad apple, it will spoil all others. That's not your job, that's the job of God. Only thing what you can do is to pull that person in the collectivity, showing that you are wrong, you are wrong, you are wrong, and you have to be all right. But these ideas, I don't know from where they have crawled, that there is nothing like evil in this world. There is nothing like bad in this world. There is evil. There is something bad. And you can know if your vibrations are correct, your discretion is correct, you know immediately. So you waste your energies in correcting people who can never be corrected. I'm forgetting that you have not corrected the person, on the contrary, you are corrupted. That means you are not yet matured enough. In the breaking of the Sahasrara, I have never left anything undone. It's a perfect job. Your nerves are not hurt. Your brain is not hurt. Such a powerful Kundalini comes up. How sweetly, beautifully, delicately she pierces through. Only a thread comes out. And how then the connection is established and the relaxation starts coming in on the sympathetic. How all the beautifully chakras open and more of these threads coming up. Now you are also told how to work it out. You know all the technical know-how. What you don't know, that you are not yet a perfect machine. You have to perfect yourself. Moreover, there's a Mahamaya. She doesn't take you for granted. That's the trouble. She puts you deliberately into temptations. Deliberately she gives you positions. Now leaders, world leaders, universe leaders. So you develop first one tail, then one horn, and then something comes out of Sahasrara also. You look like a clown. To test you, she may marry you to funny people also. This testing has to be done. That's the job of a Mahamaya. She has to test you. Gold has to be tested. The diamond has to be tested. All that is valuable has to be tested. Without that, how can you certify? It's not like going to the church, somebody puts the water on your head, all right. Now you are baptized. Finished. Now you are chosen. The water will evaporate in no time. And when you will go to God, He will say, how are you baptized? This water. Where is it? I can't see. So all these things are to be understood in right perspective. They are for our ascent, for our benevolence, for our higher state. But for that, you must know we have to fix up our whole will to it. When people climb, say, Himalayas, what do? They take a big nail it at a higher point, then tie up a rope and climb up to that. They don't look down. Then put another nail up there, climb up to that, and that's how they climb Himalaya. Now what do we do in Sahaja Yoga? We take a nail from the top, put it downward. First day when you get realization, the experience is tremendous. Then one by one, coming down. The other way down. But as soon as you get realization, if you are intelligent enough, then you decide, how should I fix up myself? Like, decide like this. Supposing you are very fond of milk, take it like that. Now you should say, till I achieve a certain state, I will not take milk. But that should not be treated as a sacrifice, but as a joyous ascent. Do the people who nail upwards to go to the top of Himalayas, do they feel they are sacrificing something? If you start thinking that, oh God, I have sacrificed milk, then you finished. Downward movement starts. But if you like something, then you have to say, all right, if I like it, let me like my ascent more than this. Till I have ascended, I will not have. Such determination should be there. And without that, how do you think you can get over the horrible, monstrous mountain of ignorance that you have got? Actually, in realization, I put you on the top of the mountain, but you start slipping down. So you have to keep to that topmost point. I tell you about everything. You go and ask any one of the saints or any one of the great incarnations. Did they know so much about Kundalini? If they had, they would have written about it. They have never written anything about Kundalini. If they have, it's very little. To such an extent that it acts on your fingertips. that now we have brought science close to reality. The truth, the divine, science, all explained. It's become completely integrated now with us. Sahaja Yoga is the most scientific thing that you could think. Exact, the biggest computer that you are. But the computer has to be workable. And therefore we have failed. And we fail every day. Sometimes it is disastrous, horrible. Now 19 years we have had this Shastra, and 18 years I have worked. You have to now understand your responsibility. We have to emancipate the human beings. We don't want to do anything that is little out of the way. Now Shastra Day is on the 5th, but we must celebrate today because everybody must have a Sunday holiday. According to our conveniences, we have to work out everything. All right, doesn't matter. It's permitted. The deities, they are working 24 hours. All the months and all the years round, continuously. Because
We'll continue listening to the talk on Friday. Let us move our attention into our hearts, that complete desire. Mother, please come in my heart. Please let my spirit rule my heart. Let my spirit be my guide. Move our attention from the heart. Just below the Sahasrara is the seat of the heart chakra. Move it from there to the Sahasrara and above the Sahasrara. Shri Mataji, in the form of Shri Pushti, please nourish my subtle system with your vibrations. Let me be dissolved in the ocean of collective consciousness. Mother, I surrender to you.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shiva Parvati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamritat. Om Namah Shivaya. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनं मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनं मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ नमः शिवाय साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः
As we finish today's meditation, please do feel free to post if you would like a bandhan, or are there any bandhan requests. We've got two, one for Sabarish, Sabarish, just help with healing. That's Sabarish. The other request we have is for Rajan, Ragan, trouble with psoriasis. We've just had another bandhan request for Prabhakar and Vedant Jagtap. Prabhakar, Prabhakar, Vedant, Vedant. So it's two separate. Prabhakar and Vedant Jagtap, Jagtap. Thank you everyone for your vibrational presence. Let's put our hands together and just thank Shri Mataji for the opportunity of this evening's Futsal session. Let's raise our kundalinis and put ourselves in a bandhan. You can feel free. My apologies for running late today, a little bit over time. Do feel free to sit for a few more minutes for meditation. Jai Shri Mataji.
एरी सखी मोरे पिया घर आए। बाग लगे सुन आंगन को, अपन पिया के मैं बल बल जाऊं। चरण लगायो निर्धन को, धर्म मैं तो खड़ी थी आस लगाए, मेहंदी कजरा मांग सजाए। देखी सूरत अपन पिया की, हार गए मन तन मन को। ये सखे मोरे पिया घर आए। जिसके पिया संग बीते सावन उस दुल्हन
Thank you everyone. Jai Shri Mataji. We'll see you again on Friday.